The trained nurse has become one of the great blessings of humanity, taking a place beside the physician and the priest. And a quote from the founder of nursing, Florence Nightingale, she said, "Let us never consider ourselves finished nurses. We must be learning all our lives." This is my challenge to all of you, lifelong learning. Whether practicing locally or abroad, we nurses greatly contribute to the health of the populace if we endeavor to learn all our lives and apply relevant learning. Again, my heartfelt congratulations, my brand new colleagues. Please know that we in the Professional Regulatory Board of Nursing are honored and happy to welcome you to the world of professional nursing. Wishing you all the luck in your professional journey. Good morning and mabuhay kayong lahat.
She has broken the barriers, right? And she moved it. How do you break the barriers and make you a very effective nurse? There are only three important reasons. From her family name, T, towards excellence, another T toward integrity, and another T towards becoming a true professional. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable LCT, as we give the certificate of recognition of Honorable LCT for the inspirational message, and our very dynamic regional director. Our loudest applause. Wait, there are still more to come. Maybe you are looking at your program, but we could University Surigao and St. Paul University Dumaguete. Please stand so that you can be duly recognized. You have traveled far, land, air, and water to reach this area. Central Philippines Adventist College, Bacolod.
Wow!
University of Bohol. Jose Rizal Memorial State University. Please stand. The College of Maasin, Leyte. Riverside College Incorporated, Bacolod. Surigao Education Center. Visayas State University, Leyte. Mater Dei College, Bohol. Mindanao State University. Western Leyte College of Ormoc Incorporated. State University of Northern Negros. Holy Name University, Bohol. Adventist Medical Center College, Iligan City. University of Negros Occidental, Recoletos. Ateneo de Zamboanga University, Zamboanga. Lourdes College, Cagayan de Oro City. Mountain View College. Brent Hospital and College Incorporated, Zamboanga. Central Mindanao University, Bukidnon. Silliman University. Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City, Valenzuela. University of St. LaSalle, Bacolod. Palawan State University. Bohol Institute of Technology, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Tacolin College, Legazpi City. Lyceum of the Philippines, Batangas. Blancha College Foundation Incorporated, Zamboanga del Sur. Canosa College, Laguna. Liceo de Cagayan University. PLT College Incorporated, Nueva Vizcaya. Adventist University of the Philippines, Iligan City. University of Eastern Philippines, Catarman, Samar. Southern Bicol Colleges, Masbate. San Pedro College, Davao. Iloilo Doctors College. Father Saturnino Orius University, Butuan. University of Mindanao, Davao. La Salle University, Misamis Occidental. Holy Infant College, Tacloban City. Andres Bonifacio College, Dipolo. Saint Scholastica's College, Tacloban. Polytechnic College of Davao del Sur. General Santos Doctors Medical School Foundation Incorporated. Southeast Asian College, Quezon City. Xavier University, Cagayan, Ateneo de Cagayan. And of course, the participating schools of the different colleges of Cebu City and the rest of Region 7. Our loudest applause for all of you and for being here. Mike says, may I call back Honorable LCC for the oath-taking rights.
Oath-taking karon. Ang relay eskwelahan wala man na sila pwede mo join sa sila laing schedule nga oath-taking pero ang join karon daghan sa
Please stand and please raise your right